welcome back to Q's Kitchen. Today we'll be making a chicken salad. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time we're making a video. These are some of the ingredients we'll be using.
You have all-purpose seasoning, turmeric powder, pink salt.
Here we have some boneless chicken thighs that we'll be using. Here are some of the other ingredients we'll be using. Mayo, chili, ham, spinach, and mozzarella cheese.
Time to add our salt, all-purpose, and our turmeric powder. And we're just gonna give it a quick mix. All right, guys, so we're just gonna let our chicken marinate for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna get the oil heated.
Now we are going to add our oil to the pan. Okay, now we just added some garlic cloves for extra flavor.
All right, guys, so you want to make sure your oil is hot before you add your chicken. Once the oil is hot, you can go ahead and start placing your chicken in. And you just want to fry your chicken until it's well done on both sides on medium heat.
Okay, now we will be making a spicy mayo. All you need is mayo and your spicy chili sauce.
Now we're just going to start mixing. After the mayo and hot sauce is blended together, you should be good to go. After about 4 minutes, you can start flipping your chicken. As you can see, the chicken is almost ready. I cooked it for about 4 to 5 minutes on one side, flipped it over, and we're about to do the same thing again. So just cook your chicken until it's well done, or at least 165 degrees, alright? Alright, so right now I'm working on my ham. Once it's crispy on both sides, it's gonna be good to go. I've been cooking my chicken for about 12 minutes now. It's good to go, good to go, good to go. So I'm about to take it out this hot grease and let it sit for a minute. Alright guys, so you're gonna need a baking pan and also set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so we're just gonna start off by adding our sauce, our spicy mayo, which we made earlier. Just gonna spread it all over your chicken. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. I'm already smelling the nice flavors. And now we're gonna add our spinach. Not too much, just a little. Just a little greenery. Spinach, spinach. Spinach is good for you guys. Yeah. Now, time for our bacon. Nice thick slice, you know. Yeah. And this is the final touch. We're gonna add our cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. And you just need to place it in your oven for about 5 minutes. We're just gonna melt the cheese, that's all we're doing. And that's gonna be it. Alright guys, this is our end result. Look at that juicy baby. Juicy. chicken is well done, guys. Well done.